Sir, don't mind me that it's not free. It's not free.
Pay for it. Long is free.
Say it.
Thank you. Thank you. No problem. This man, stand up. Come on, stand up. Your mate ran 5 kilometers.
Congratulations, they did their best. Me, I don't really get that kind you also run into this stuff.
Yeah.
How many minutes? Come to your fast, put that just fast as well. No, they said it was around 6.5 kilometers.
Yeah.
Do you run yesterday?
Eh?
Do you run yesterday?
Yes.
Are you not supposed to?
Yeah, everybody running, let's do run yesterday. Your glycogen store is not depleted.
So that's the thing. That's my second to complete. I run almost every day.
You have been resting and prepping this one. The last one should
So that's the mistake fitness policy. So last week, because of last night, I only ran on Monday. I didn't even do Wednesday. I didn't do anything. I was just doing so I did not postpone.
So you should have just done what you did last week again this week.
So now that's 2 weeks of no working
No,
now.
you work out now. You work out. Just don't work out as trainers. You do
I do not do anything.
you do light exercise, leg day, very light.
I did like day on Wednesday. I was still my hamstring was paining me. Didn't be that was since Friday night. And on Friday morning I was screaming.
One run on Saturday